Isha Kasture and I am representing my group consisting of Kalpana Gandhi and Kaushal Chawla. I am a third semester student and I am studying at Symbiosis School of Culinary Arts. India is a diverse land and consists of various traditions, cultures, and religions. One such aspect of our country that remains to be untapped are tribals. So, to put light on this topic and to know about them, our Indian cuisine and culture chef asked us to research about certain tribes. So, today I am going to talk about one certain tribe that is called the Munda tribe. The Munda tribe or Munda people are an Austroasiatic speaking ethnic group of India, also called as Kolarians. They are found in the northern part of East India, concentrated in the states of Jharkhand, Bihar, Orissa, and West Bengal, predominantly covering the Chota Nagpur region. They are one of the India's largest scheduled tribes. Munda generally means headman of the village. Mundas are predominantly hunters but have also settled to be agriculturists. They are animal eaters and eat animals like frogs, snakes, snails, rats, and earthworms. Their religion is a blend of Hinduism and Sarnism. Their supreme deity is Singhbonga, which is the son of God. Mundas are very traditional and culture-oriented people. They have elaborate rituals and ceremonies for various festivals. However, maximum of their festivals are adapted from the Hindu religion. They celebrate many festivals and one of them is Sarhul. Sarhul is the most important festival when it comes to Munda tribe. It is celebrated in the month of April and it is celebrated to worship their ancestors. It is a 3 to 4 days long festival and on first day of this festival, cooked arva rice is offered to the Sarna. Sarna is the head of the village and then later it is offered to people and it is eaten as prasad. On second day, a pitcher filled with handia is kept in front of Sarna and is accepted as prasad. Later in this festival, a hen is sacrificed and then cooked and eaten by all. In these festivals, prasad is generally eaten by men and not by women. Next festival is Phagun. Phagun is similar to Holi festival in Hindu religion. It is celebrated in the month of March. It is celebrated to mark the beginning of farming in Munda tribe. In this festival, a plant of simar is planted under the tag of Phagun. This marks the beginning of their cultivation. Then arva and handia are fed to a hen and then the hen is sacrificed and cooked. Now we come to food habits and rituals. Festivals and cultures have a huge influence on their food habits. Boiled rice and bread form the staple food of the tribe. Well-to-do families also eat self-grown vegetables like onions, eggplants, radish, and beans. However, not so well-to-do and poorer families just eat rice with leafy vegetables. Turmeric, garlic, and chili plays a major role when it comes to spices. They also raise chickens and goats, but these are majorly eaten during festivals. The Munda tribe also eats bird flesh. Their festive prasad is generally made up of rice, hen and handia. Handia being their local drink. They make a lot of dishes using puffed rice such as chivda and moodi. They have a tradition of dropping a few grains of rice on the ground before starting any meal. They usually collect leaves from jungle and forests and make plates and bowls and crockery from it. Generally, earthenware pots and jars are used for storing. They make their own alcoholic drinks which are named as handia and tari. Handia and tari are made up of a combination of 20 to 25 herbs that act as a ferment. This combination of herbs is added to boiled rice and is allowed to ferment. This drink takes up to a week to get prepared. They also drink rice beer which is called as ili. This they brew at their own houses. Mundas are very famous for consuming tobacco and betel leaves. This is all that we know about this tribe, but I am sure that there are much more traditions, cultures and dishes that have not been discovered by us yet. I hope that we include these dishes and styles in Indian cuisine in coming years. Thank you.